Can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Oh, I was wondering why you joined Saints and you didn't turn on either your video or audio. Okay, so you remember this question, right? Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yes.
When I ask you questions, I want to hear the response loud and clear so that we can move on. Is that clear?
Yeah.
Good. So this question, I want to look at it again so that I can explain it properly for you, okay? Is that clear? Don't mute yourself until I finish the explanation, okay? All right,
Okay.
good. Read the question for me, please.
Points A, B, C, D, E are part of the regular polygon with center 0. When lines A, B, and C D extend, they both near an angle CDO is the 70%.
So what does that mean?
I'm not sure.
You're not sure because you didn't read it carefully. Now read it again carefully, trying to figure out what it means, okay? Now let me hear you one more time, but this time carefully, yeah?
Points A, B, C, D are a part of the regular polygon with center 0. When A, B, and C D are extended, they both near a point at angle CDO is 70 degrees.
Are you rapping or what?
No. No.
Points A, B, C, D, E are a part of a regular polygon with center O. When lines AB and CD extend, they both meet O at point F. Angle CDO is 70 degrees. So, and there are some questions we have to look at, okay?
Okay.
So you can see that I'm trying to draw the shape again. Now let me try to fix center O. Let's say, if this is the center of the shape, can you see this?
Yes.
So, like this way. So that means it's going to join this point T. And I was told that D is, OCD. So if this is O, CDO, so this is C, then this is D. I told you the other time that when you see three letters like CDO, the angle we're talking about is the one at the middle. So where will I put my 70 degree? Will I put it at this place or at the other place? I'll put it on D, okay? Is that clear? Is that clear?
Yes.
Good. So once I put it on D, let's look at the questions to see what the question actually requires us to do. The first part of the question says, find the size of angle ABC. Find the size of angle what? Angle what? Find it. Read the question. Find the size of angle ABC, right? So that means there's a point B somewhere here. This is point B. This point A is B. This point A is C. That is point D. Then we have another point at the intersection here, which is F. And we have point E here. A, B, C, D, E. Hello, concentrate and stop anything you're doing on that device. Okay?
I am concentrating.
What do you say?
I am concentrating.
Okay. Now, so what is the size of ABC? Now, for us to find the size of ABC means we're looking for the angle at B, okay? And this is the point A, ABC, according to this diagram. So right now I can remove the diagram so we can have enough space to work. Oh, it's okay. To get the size of ABC, if we can find the size of this or the size of this, then it will be the same as all of them, because for a regular polygon means all of the angles are equal, okay?
Okay.
In a regular polygon, all angles and sides are equal. So we need to remember this. So if I create another line from here to this spot, let me put it this way. Then this is going to give me this angle also will be 70, okay? Because the two lines DO and CO will be equal. Is that clear?
Okay.
This line is going to be equal to this line. So we have what is called isosceles triangle, okay?
Okay.
Isosceles triangle. So if we are to know what angle we're dealing with, we're looking for this angle. So if we can find the other angle here, then it's the same as the angle we're looking for. The total of this with the total of this. Is that clear?
Okay.
So the next thing we can do is to create another line from the center to this. And that line also, that blue line, is going to be equal to the other lines as well. So, which means the angle it forms here is going to be 70, and the angle it forms at this spot is also 70 degrees. With that, we have gotten a part of angle B, remaining this other end, okay?
Okay.
So to get this, we can join another line from the center to this, which means any angle that will be formed by any line to any part, from the center to any part of the shape, is going to be the same angle, which is 70. So angle ABC will be 70 degrees plus 70 degrees. And it will give us 140 degrees. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, that's one point there. Now, let's go to the next question to see what the question requires us to do. So, now, it says, how many sides does this polygon have? How many sides does this polygon have? That's the next question. Now, to get the number of sides that it has, we should know that sum of its exterior angle is 360 because sum of exterior angle of any polygon is 360. Is that clear?
Yeah.
If there are three angles in the exterior, that means there are three sides too, okay?
Okay.
That means three sides. So we don't know the number of angles. So let's say n angles. Then gives us n sides. So, but we know the value of one of the angle if each angle equal 140 degrees interior, interior angle. Then the exterior angle, each exterior angle will be 180 minus 140 degrees, which is 40 degrees. So how can we, how are we going to arrive at the 180 is this? Let me show you. If you look at this white line, and you see the white line, if you extend it, you will see that from the white line to the green line is the angle inside the shape, okay? Is that clear?
Okay.
Now, if you extend it beyond the green line, then that is 180, okay? If you extend it beyond the green line, is what? 180. And you already have a 70, another 70, then there must be 40 to make 180. Is that clear?
Okay.
Good. So that means the angle outside it is going to be 40 degrees. So if that angle is 40, then the exterior angle is 40. So that's the exterior angle. Even if you check on this green line, can you see the green line?
Yeah.
If the green line should go straight, then you will discover that the angle in the shape is 140, which is 70 plus 70. Then the angle outside, which is the exterior angle at that point, should also be 40 degrees, okay? Is that clear? So sum of the exterior angle is 360, but we don't know the number of sides. So each angle, which is 40, times the number of angle it is, will give us 360 because each one is 40 degrees. So if there are 2, that's 40 times 2. If there are 5, that's 40 times 5. And if there are 10, that's 40 times 10. Is that clear? So let us find n. N will be gotten by 360. I want you to concentrate because immediately after this, I will ask you to explain. Because I can see you tapping, pressing. I don't know what you're tapping. So, the rate over 9. Over 40, because it's 40n. So n is going to be 9 sides. How is it 9 sides? That's because 360, you started tapping again, okay? 360 divided by 40 equal to 9. That's where I got 9 sides from. Is that clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's look at the next one before I ask you to explain the whole details. The next one says, what is the size of angle BCF? Angle BCF. Let's check it out. So where is BCF? Which angle can we consider to be BCF? Answer that question. Which alphabet are we considering when we say angle BCF? Is it an alphabet B or C or F? Which of the alphabets are we looking for?
All of them.
What do you say?
All of them.
No, I told you. That's why I showed this symbol here. I said you pick the middle alphabet. Okay? Okay? Can you hear me? Good. So which alphabet are we considering now? In this question, which alphabet are we considering now? Is it B? Is it B? Is it C? Is it F? Which alphabet are we considering in the question?
B.
What do you call it?
B.
B. Why should it be B? Tell me. I just showed you an example at the top. I said the middle alphabet.
Your screen went blank.
You said?
Your screen went blank.
My screen is blank, right?
It went blank.
Okay. Probably it's network. Then it's going to come up. Okay. How about now?
Yes, fine.
It's fine now. Okay. Stop tapping and start listening. Okay.
I'm trying to get this thing off my screen.
What's that?
Now it's gone.
So
I just noticed I was saying something.
Wait, which alphabet are we considering in BCF? Look at this one, CDO. We're considering the middle alphabet. Here, which alphabet are we considering?
C.
C, that's correct. So check the question, check the structure, the diagram. Where can you find BCF? What colors can you see around the place where you can find BCF?
White, pink, and yellow.
White, pink, and yellow. BCF, try again. There's a shape, there's a triangle named BCF in that place. Find it out. What are the color of the lines that surround that triangle? The lines that form that triangle, BCF. For example, if I say CDO, CDO is yellow, gray, and pink. Yellow, gray, and pink. So your own BCF, tell me the color of the lines that form that triangle, BCF. Yes?
Yellow, brown, white.
Wait a minute. BCF. BCF. Where can you find BCF? Check it again.
I did.
Look at it. This is BCF here. So what color can you see around here? What are the lines that form that triangle BCF? This triangle.
Pink.
Next one.
Pink.
Pink, what and what? Pink, brown, and green. Can you see it?
Pink.
Okay. Pink, brown, and green. So I'm only asking you this so that you can identify which triangle is this question, and so that you can know where C lies. So we're looking for this angle here, okay? This angle painted in white. That's where we're looking for. So how can we find it? That's another question. How can we find this angle, the measure of this angle? It means we can consider a straight line, okay? The straight line, yellow and pink. Is that clear?
Okay.
Then the angle on the straight line is 180. You had that before, yes or no?
No.
Then you are hearing it today. Sum of angles on a straight line is 180, and there are 3 angles on this line. The first one, the second one, and the third one. So the first 2 are 70. Definitely the third one will be 40. So we can say angle BCF is 180 minus 140, which is 40 degrees. Is that clear?
Okay.
Then the last one, the last question, which I'm going to bring up now before I allow you to write this down. Question says, what is the size of angle BFC? What is the size of which angle? Angle BFC. BFC. So looking at BFC, which of the letters are we considering in BFC? Is it B? Is it F? Is it C?
BFC.
It's BFC. So which angle particularly are we finding? Because these are 3 angles. In this BFC, we have angle B, we have angle F, we have angle C. So which angle are we looking for?
BFC.
No, angle B. That's what we're looking for, okay?
Okay.
You will locate triangle BFC, then you now try to find angle B. Is that clear?
Okay.
So, if that is the case, let's look at this. Angle BFC. That means we are finding the angle at the center of that smaller triangle, okay? So, which means if I bring out that smaller triangle like this, and the other side that cover it like this. So, from what we have, this angle is 40. Then automatically this angle also should be 40. Okay? Because from here, this is 140, and this should be 40 here to make 180. Is that clear?
Yeah.
Then, how can we find this place? So BFC will be 140 minus 80. Okay? I mean, 180 minus 80, rather. 180 degrees minus 80. Where did I get 80? The addition of the other 2. Is that clear?
Yeah.
And what is 180 minus 80?
Pardon?
What is 180 minus 80?
180.
180 minus 80. Yeah?
I can't really do it in my head.
Got it. Then write it down and do it. 180 minus 80. Okay?
Yeah.
Now I can't see you. I'm only seeing the wall clock or something. Show your face. Tell me your answer. Yeah. So 180 minus 80 is what? Yeah, I'm waiting.
100.
100. So that means the angle we're looking for is 100, okay?
Yeah.
Is that clear?
Yeah.
Okay. So, with this, I'll give you some time to put this down, okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Once you're through you let me know. I'm gonna pause the lecture now because I'll give you the video at the end of the class. Is that clear? Is that clear? Yeah, so once we're through with this, then I'll resume the recording so that and get the full video, then you watch for better understanding at the end of the class. So keep writing it down.
Okay.
Pause the recording.